गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, मैथ शिक्षक टीएस चैनल में सभी का स्वागत है। मैथ शिक्षक टीएस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। इन प्रीवियस क्लास वी ऑलरेडी लर्न प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैट्रिसेस लाइक commutative property and associative property. In today's class we are going to learn two more properties, that is identity property and inverse property. Now let us see what is identity of a matrix. Third property is additive identity. Additive identity property. Suppose A is any matrix of order m cross n or m by n and O is another matrix, that is null matrix or zero matrix of order m by n, then A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. Then O is called additive identity of matrix. If A is m by n matrix, if A is m by n matrix and O is null matrix or zero matrix of m by n order, then A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. Then O is called additive identity. That means O is called additive matrix under addition. So what is additive identity? Additive identity property of matrix is a matrix A, order of that matrix is m cross n and O is another matrix, that is null matrix or zero matrix of the same order, that is m cross n, then A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. Then O is called additive identity of a matrix. Now let us see one example. Let A is equal to what? 2 minus 3 4 6 and O is equal to 0 0 0 0, then A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. We have to show that A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. So what is A matrix? A is equal to 2 minus 3 4 6. That means 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. And another matrix O matrix, which is null matrix or zero matrix, in which first row is 0 0, second row is 0 0 and first column 0 0, second column 0 0. That means the order of this matrix is 2 rows 2 columns. Similarly, the order of this matrix is also 2 rows 2 columns. Now let us do A plus O. So what is A plus O? A plus O is nothing but A matrix plus O matrix. What is A matrix? 2 minus 3 4 6 and O matrix 0 0 0 0, which is null matrix. So what happened? First element add with first element, 2 plus 0, then minus 3 plus 0, 4 plus 0 and 6 plus 0. What we have done here? 2 plus 0, minus 3 plus 0, 4 plus 0 and 6 plus 0, which is equal to 2 plus 0 is 2, minus 3 and this is 4 and this is 6. So what we get here? A plus we got 2 minus 3 4 6. Then similarly O plus A. This is O matrix plus this is A matrix. So element of O matrix are 0 0 0 0 and A matrix 2 minus 3 4 6 is equal to 0 plus 2 0 plus 2 0 plus minus 3 0 plus 4 and 0 plus 6. So which is equal to 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus minus 3 minus 3, 0 plus 4 4, 0 plus 6 6. Therefore what is A plus O? A plus O is 2 minus 3 4 6. Similarly O plus A is 2 minus 3 4 6. Therefore A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. So 2 minus 3 4 6 are the element of A matrix. So again we got A matrix. Therefore O is called identity matrix. O is called identity matrix. Next property is additive inverse. Fourth property is additive inverse. Additive inverse. So what is additive inverse? If A is a matrix of order n cross n, if A is a matrix of n cross n, if A is n cross n matrix, then there is a unique matrix there is a unique matrix B of order m cross n such that A plus B is equal to B plus A is equal to O, means zero matrix. That means if we add A matrix and another unique B matrix, and if you add B matrix with A matrix, then we will get O matrix. O matrix is nothing but 0 matrix or null matrix. So this is called additive inverse of a matrix. Additive inverse of a matrix A is denoted by minus A. So minus A is the additive inverse of A, whereas A is the additive inverse of minus A. Similarly, A is additive inverse of minus A matrix. So take one example. Let A is equal to 2, 1, 5, 4. B is equal to minus 2, minus 1, minus 5, minus 4. Then A plus B is equal to B plus A is equal to 0 means O means 0 matrix or null matrix. Now let us see A plus B. So what is A plus B? The element of A matrix plus element of B matrix. 2, 1, 5, 4 and minus 2, minus 1, minus 5, minus 4 is equal to, I add first element with first element, 2 plus minus 2, 1 plus minus 1, 5 plus minus 5 and 4 plus minus 4. So this is the addition of matrix. 2 plus minus 2, 1 plus minus 1, 5 plus minus 4, 5, 4 plus minus 4. So here we get 2 plus minus 2 gets 0. In the same way 1 plus minus 1 also 0, 5 plus minus 5 also 0, 4 plus minus 4 also 0. So this is nothing but O matrix. O matrix is called null matrix or 0 matrix. In the same way, find out B plus A. So what is B plus A? Element of B plus elements of A. So what are the elements of B? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 5, minus 4. So element of A 2, 1, 5, 4, which is equal to minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 5 plus 5, minus 5 plus 5, minus 4 plus 4 and minus 4 plus 4. See here, minus 2 plus 2, this is minus 1 plus 1, so this is minus 5 plus 5, this is minus 4 plus 4, this is. So what happened? We will get minus 2 plus 2 is nothing but 0. In the same way, this is also 0, this is also 0 and this is also 0 is equal to what we got? 0. So what we got here? A plus B is equal to B plus A is equal to O. O means 0 matrix or null matrix. Therefore, what? B is called inverse of A. In the same way, A matrix is called inverse of B. Matrix inverse to B matrix, whereas B matrix inverse to A matrix. Let us see exercise 3A. Write the following as a single matrix. write the following as a single matrix. So first one is 3 9 0 1 8 minus 2 plus 4 0 2 7 1 4. Second one minus 1 2 1 minus 2 3 minus 1 plus 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 1. Now look at the board. The problem from third exercise of matrix chapter. First one is write the following as a single matrix. So 3 9 0 1 8 minus 2 and another matrix 4 0 2 7 1 4. So this is nothing but addition of a matrix. Now addition of a matrix, before doing addition of a matrix we have to remember one condition. One condition is there. What is that condition? The addition of a matrix takes place when the order of both matrices are same. That means addition of matrix is possible if both matrices having the same order. Otherwise we cannot do the addition. Now let us see the order of the given matrix. So order of this matrix is 1 row, 2 row. And how many columns? 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. 3 column. Okay. So what about this? 1 row, 2 row. Okay. Column, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 3 column. Therefore addition takes place, or addition of these matrices is possible. Same 2 cross 3, 2 cross 3. Order is same, therefore addition is possible. Now let us see. First one, 3 9 0 1 8 minus 2 plus 4 0 2 7 1 4. Add first element with first element. 3 plus 4, then next 9 plus 0, 9 plus 0, then next 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2. 3 plus 4, 9 plus 0 and 0 plus 2. Second one, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, and this is minus 2 plus 4. Look here, 3 plus 4, 9 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 4, sorry, 1 plus 7, 8 plus 1 and minus 2 plus 4. So this is 3 plus 4 7, 9 plus 0 9 and 0 plus 2 2. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9 and minus 2 plus 4, 4 minus 2 plus 2. So this is in a single matrix. Answer is single matrix. Now look at the second one. What is the order of this matrix? 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 3 row. Okay. Columns, 1 column, 2 column. Therefore the order of this matrix is 3 cross 2 or 3 by 2. Then order of this matrix, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. Okay. Columns, 1 column, 2 column. Now both having the same order, therefore addition is possible. Now let us see. -1, 2, 1, -2, 3, -1 plus 0, 1, -1, 0 and -2, 1. Look here, -1 plus 0, -1 plus 0. Next, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. 1 plus -1, 1 plus -1. -2 plus 0, -2 plus 0. The next, 3 plus -2, 3 plus -2. Okay. -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1. So here it is. -1 plus 0, -1. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus -1, 0. -2 plus 0, -2. 3 plus -2, 3 -2 plus 1. So -1 plus 1 gets 0. Therefore, the addition of two matrices in a single matrix as per the question. A is equal to -1, 3, 4, 2, comma B is equal to 2, 1, 3, -5, comma X is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 and A plus B is equal to x. This is the given condition. Then find the values of x1, x2, x3, x4. If A is equal to -1, 3, 4, 2, B is equal to 2, 1, 3, -5 and X is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 and one condition is given. What is that condition? A plus B is equal to x, means addition of these two matrices is nothing but third matrix is equal to x. So when we have these two matrices, that the answer will be equal to this third matrix. Then find the values of x1, x2, x3, x4. Now let us see condition. Solution. A plus B is equal to x. First of all, do A plus B. So what is A plus B? A plus B is nothing but A matrix plus B matrix. -1, 3, 4, 2 and B matrix 2, 1, 3, -4. This is 2 cross 2 and this is also 2 cross 2. Therefore, addition is possible. Then first element with first element, -1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, then 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 and 2 plus -5, 2 plus -5. So which is equal to -1 plus 2 means 2 minus 1. So it we will get 1. Then 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus -5 is -3. So what we get? we got 1 4 7 minus 3 as a sum of these two matrices. So A plus B is equal to how much? A plus B is equal to 1 4 7 minus 3. But in condition, what is A plus B? A plus B is nothing but X. That means it is equal to X matrix. What is X matrix? X1, X2, X3, X4. So 1 4 7 minus 3 is equal to X1, X2, X3, X4. That means A plus B is equal to X. So this is A plus B and this is X. A plus B is equal to X. Therefore 1 4 7 minus 3 is equal to X1, X2, X3, X4. So first element equal with first element. 1 is equal to X1, comma 4 is equal to second element, comma 7 is equal to X3 and minus 3 is equal to X4. Therefore X1 is equal to 1, X2 is equal to 4 and X3 is equal to 7 and X4 is equal to minus 3. So friends, we have to stop here. जिन्होंने अब तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, अपने मित्रों के साथ शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।